your salad, honey? What are you doing? Hey, sweetie. What are you doing? You want your salad? Can we move this out? Oh. Well, okay, you can go in there. Here you go, bud. Oh, geez, you're so silly. You gonna eat your salad? Good boy. That's a good bunny. Oh, banana. Says, I like little bananas. Good boy. He's a good boy. Yes, he's a good boy. He's a good boy. He's a good boy. Okay, we eat. That's cilantro. You like cilantro? Yeah.